guys, look at the view. It's very refreshing. Very refreshing and very beautiful. The mount. Oh. The last time I think it's 2016, Joe,
2006 million 16. Down here and then you see how, but if you fell down there, you have a problem, huh?
Yeah. Look at him. Look at this man. Here is 25 degree and in the city 33 something, huh?
29, 30 something.
Here is also warm, but the wind is cold. It's very beautiful, really. Super. And guys, the last time when we went here is that was winter time, and this one, this lake, this dam is full of ice. You cannot see the water, only ice. It's very huge, right? So beautiful. Thank God. Ah, it's very cold.
It's mount here, huh? Hey, sun, become dry again. Maybe you go like it. That is deeper.
Yeah. Actually, just around here, you can swim already.
But it's cold the water. Huh?
Yeah.
When you go out, you are bye-bye. That is bite, huh?
This is a biting. There's a lot of thorns. This kind of.
This is the dog was biting.
Many times, huh? This one is hard.
Hey, why you bring this? It's for standing, huh?
Yeah, I just want. Bye, my love.
Bonjour. Hey, should walk and come here again, huh? Walk and come there, huh?
Yeah, it is very interesting. Wait, I'll take one, huh? Look.
Let's go, maybe Marius is there and
Where?
in his house is here, huh? kayo po. We go, madam. Come. Let's see. Can take, huh? I put stop or pause?
Guys, the view is really beautiful. My goodness. It's a new experience for me because I did not try this in Philippines. I really didn't try because I'm scared of deep water. But this time I try just in the edge. So let's go, let's go. Worth it, guys. It's 1 hour something from the city going up here. It's really amazing, the views. And one more thing, guys, here in Romania, if you have a land or a pension, vacation, very rich. You are very rich, I tell you. Here is more expensive than city. Unlike in Philippines, as far as I know, nobody likes to live in the mountain. In the mountain area, I tell you, serious. But here, the most expensive and the most richest people, if you have a house here. But Bonico have a land,
On the other side.
yeah, in the other side, not here. Our grandfather.
Here is not allowed, I think, to have a land because it's a national park.
Yeah.
I don't think the normal people, only the government, is owner of this.
Yeah, because here, guys, is a national park. So down there, before we reach here, there's a lot of pension house. There is also a private houses. So they are very lucky. Really, you guys. Ay, ay, ay. What a beautiful nature creation. Now this is just a tower. And over there also, it's quite far. Doon! Down there, guys, it's so deep. Look. No water. It's very, very deep. Super deep. Super deep. Super deep. Hey, don't be like that, baby. Boy, don't make fun, ha? Eh. Akong tinai, guys. Akong tinai, naghiyak-hiyak. We have to conquer the height. It's not very windy, but I don't know why it's too windy in the audio. I think it's because of the height. scary. Guys, here is showing how deep, how big, how huge the dam, but I don't understand all this stuff here. My husband will explain to me later.
Million liter water, cubic meter.
You explain it later, okay? Here is a pension. There is a pension or a private property?
Private, I think this is pension, I don't know.
Oh, yeah. So, if you have a house here, guys, you are very rich.
This is the stone on the top here, that's like this.
Ah, that kind of stone.
That is pension, yeah.
Oh, yeah. So, there's a lot of pension here. When you want to visit Romania and you want to stay in a quiet place, you can come here. And there's a lot of pension here you can rent. Look, it's very beautiful. Look, this is a pension. All the way down there. So it's beautiful. It's very lucky if you have a house here. It's very fresh. So fresh, refreshing. Even from Bucharest, the people coming here.
Even from Japan, China.
I think this one is not a pension, it's a private. Look at the tourists. They can freely do a camping here. If you have tent, my, free already. This is also it's a private house. Wow, they are very lucky. They have a house here. This is also a pension where you can rent. Yeah. Here is a lot of pension house, guys, to rent. And not only pension, if you have a tent, then you can do it free. You don't need to pay. But if you need pension house, they have also.
But there is problem with the. I think this is also.
This is a private home. I think that one there is a private, and this one also.
Yeah, this is pension.
But this one is a pension. We take photo. That.
Wait.
That no.
You want to stop? This is pension.
And this is also pension. And the other side also. Here. So beautiful, guys. So beautiful. I think this one is a private house.
Even the private you can rent it.
Yeah, I know, because it's huge. Oh, so nice there. Wow. I think pension, private house. This one is private house, but as Florence said, you can also rent. Here also. Yes, this one is also a pension. And this one. And another one here, left and right. So beautiful, really. I don't wear my shoes because my leg is wet, and I always go in the water like my husband. Look at him. This is also a pension where you can rent. So cute. Look at there, guys. It's very warm. Very warm. I go back, guys. It's very warm. This one is under the shade of the trees, but there, hi, the sun is very warm. It's too painful. Hello, it's cold.
This is very cold, huh?
Very, very cold. I'm planning to.
You take the sleeper bag.
Yeah, I forgot.
Why you want so? I told you, why?
So cold, like ice in the freezer. But the water is very clear. It's cold but very, very clear. Hi! Cold! It's cold! Don't! Oh, I feel it's paralyzed, huh, my leg? Because of the cold.
You don't have this cold of river in your country.
Not as cold as this. I don't know. I never. Huh? Yeah, I saw. It's really, really clear, guys. Super. But I think they're a little bit deep.
What do you look for the fish?
Not fish. There is a pension, but there is also a private house. I think this one is a private house. We have a pile of woods also for the winter. You see, it's already ready. Oh, this is a pension. Yes, this is the pension. This one. And there is more up there. So it's very beautiful, guys. Then you can have breakfast here with a view. Perfect. Really perfect. My goodness. Hoy! My lovely. The reply is hurry up. It's very nice, the view up, huh? But in the phone it's not so nice.
When you look in the computer, it's
Than the
nice.
ice. Company where my father-in-law is working before, but now he's already in pension. So this is the electric company, guys. Okay.
There is the hole there. You can go deep in the mountain. You can see the hole. I will
See, it's
stop.
very wide, huh?
I know. I will go there a little. I cannot go in.
There, the source of their electricity, guys, from down there, but we cannot enter because we are not working here. Only the employee. You see? Oh, the walnuts. This is an on-the-spot visit of his friend. He also worked in Germany. he was do the gardening, and we just arrived and disturbed him. Look at the walnut there. Huge thing. And can you imagine how expensive the walnut in Belgium? Look at here. This is grapes, and they have a huge garden there. This is what I like here in Romania because you can do many things. They have a huge place. Ah! Ah! And this is the house of the friend of my husband. So we just passed by a little bit. Actually, he is working in Germany. There, the front. Look at the down there. There's a stream. He has a huge tree of the nuts, a walnut. So it's free, guys. You see, you can just take it when it's already cooked. But this time it's still green. It's their home, guys. They looks very simple, but look at the house. They are like that here in Romania, guys. They are like that here. You see? Very huge. The place. The garden. We don't have it in Belgium. Look, it's very beautiful, guys. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. This is what we don't have in Belgium. A huge garden. Look. So beautiful, guys. So the houses here, they have all the same styles. Most